Okay, here I explain with one data set. The data set is some iris data set. What is this iris data set means? Here very simple, it is total 150 records are there. In this there are 4 columns, 5 columns exactly. First four are the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Based on this data, we are going to find some category. What type of category the flower is? There are only 3 categories here. 3 categories, and based on this sepal length and sepal width, petal length and petal width, we are going to identify that what type of category it is, the flower is. For example, look at the code once. I think you already learned that machine learning, right? I am going to read the CSV file and I am going to read the names. Okay. For example, this is the code of code in KNN algorithm. First of all, I am going to execute it. Based on these values, I am going to predict it. Based on these values, which type of plant it is. For example, if I execute it, it takes some time, and it is giving that based on this data, it is going to be some iris versicolor, and the accuracy is 94. These two are the outputs of this program, right? This is print test, and what accuracy we are going to print here. This is some basic Python code. This is some basic Python code, the KNN algorithm. First of all, what are the inputs? What are the inputs here? Anyone guess? What are the inputs and what is the output in this data set?
Supple with petal length
Inputs,
outputs.
output, right? This, all these 4 columns are input, and this is the output here. That's why in the code, if you observe here, I am giving how many values here? I am giving 4 values, and it is going to be predict what type of class it is. Yes, I think everyone clear about KNN algorithm. I am not explaining here KNN algorithm. Now I am going to, here we are giving that this is one Python code, that's it, nothing else. But now I am going to give one front end using Flask. I am going to give all these values in the front end, some web page, and it is going to be predict and outputs will be displayed on the web page. Okay, now I am going to taking here one folder, some ml underscore project, in that for identification I am giving the data and the algorithm Python code for verification, that's it, nothing else. Now I am going to open in Sublime. It is not opening. I am going to edit some Sublime text editor, open folder. What I am going to open here ML project. I am going to open my project here. Okay, here first of all I am going to design how the Flask is going to be work. Then I will integrate that KNN algorithm into this Flask. Okay, now here we have to take one file that is going to be, where it is, in ML project. I am going to take one folder that is front end. Okay, front end. in this here I am going to save one file that is named as index.py. Okay, only one file is there, that is index.py. Okay, now and here we are going to, first of all, what we have to do here, we have to install pip install flask. What is the command? Pip install flask we have to install first of all. In anywhere in your system, open command prompt. Open command prompt means Windows plus R and open command prompt anywhere, then just type pip install flask. Okay, that's it, nothing else. Then after the installation, just close the command prompt everything, and here we are going to write from flask import star. Okay, now I am going to create an object app is equal to flask of underscore underscore two underscores underscore underscore two underscores. We are going to create an object of that flask here. Now the last lines we are going to write underscore underscore name is equal to single quotes underscore underscore main underscore underscore. We have to write it some app dot run of debug is equal to true. Debug is equal to true. That means that this is the web page. The web page is going to be, and definitely it is going to be executed every time. That's why we are going to write here app dot run debug is equal to true. Now I am going to write here app, some routing is there, app dot route of double colon slash, or I will explain you, just wait. App dot route double colon slash home. If any, will explain, just wait. Some home of function I am writing here. Here I am going to return some hi. Okay, that's it. This is the simple web page. I will explain you what will happen when you are writing like this. Okay, what happens? First of all, I am going to execute this page. How to execute this page means where this folder is. This folder is in at here like this, in D drive flask project ML project. Just click on that one and type cmd and enter. Then one command prompt will be open with this folder, right? Now we have to execute python space my file name is index.py. Okay, not here, sorry, in front end. In front end we are moving into front end. Sorry, spelling mistake is there here, sorry, no problem. Moving into this front end, I am going to write here cmd python space index.py. Yes, it is executing. Just observe here, it is giving some IP address here. Just open Google Chrome and type the local address. If you execute it, if you observe here, hi is displaying here, right? That means what we are typing here. For example, I am writing here SUDHIR. By refreshing it, the data is going to be Sudhir like this. If you observe here,